let's talk about change. One of your favorite topics, right? Let's talk about change. All signs point to change. Yeah. So this is what I call Change 101. I want to give you just some basic truths about change, and then I want to ask you, what would you add to the list? Just based on your wisdom and your insight, and also based on your experience with change. Here's the first truth. Change is here to stay. It's not going away. It is here to stay. How many people would agree with that? All right. All right. Here's the second truth about change. The rate of change is not going to slow down. It is actually going to increase. The likelihood is it's going to increase. That's the second truth. How many people in here are inclined to agree with that? Okay. Fewer hands, but I still see the hands going up. And then the third truth about change is this. Change is not necessarily going to be easy, nor is it going to be trouble-free. It's not necessarily going to be easy. It's not necessarily going to be trouble-free. How many people would agree with that? All right. Okay, I got more hands going up this time. What would you add to that list of truths about change, just based on your experience? This would be the part where you actually participate again.